This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. And again, a daily candlestick chart of the SPY. And you can see over the last week, we've been kind of grinding higher here. And the market's starting to go a bit sideways ahead of the big Fed announcement on Wednesday. That'll be at 2 p.m. with the Q&A session to follow at 2:30. Like I said, there's about a 99.9% chance the Fed leaves rates alone. What will that do for the market? Well, really, we're kind of stuck, or we're probably going to be stuck between a couple of areas here. First, this overhead supply. Like I said, this is going to start around that 606.80 area. That's where the big sellers were here that pushed the market down and started precipitated that crash here. On the downside, you've got really moving average support. Right now, it sits around 592.80. And then the support line that I've got here, these are the same lines we've had on the chart for a while. And then this open gap down here. Not quite overbought, though we do have some divergence. All right, so between our peaks here, all right, the market put in a high here. We've continued to move higher. And you can see the oscillator here, it peaked. All right, we've made a couple of lower highs here. These highs are kind of equal. But from this high, to the point here is a lower high here. So some not great divergence, but there's some divergence that the market may be losing some steam up here. So we'll see when that announcement hits, if we do get some selling to come in. Like I said, overhead support is going to start not too far around that 606.80 area. All right, so we'll see, get that Fed meeting out of the way and see how the market responds. Again, whatever tariff news comes out obviously can be a wild card, and any of the inflation data that's coming out, got to keep an eye on that as well. Again, economic data set for next week. Tuesday kicks off with retail sales, and then again Wednesday the big Fed interest rate decision, and that's at 2 o'clock and 2:30 the press conference. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.